Good morning, respected teacher, judges, and my dear friends. Today I have become a beautiful bird. Do you want to know which bird I am? Can you guess? Can you guess? Here is some clues. I have beautiful feathers. My feathers has moon-like spots. I have a long, beautiful neck and a crest on my head. I was declared as national bird of our country 1963. I live in garden, but today came here for you. I like to dance in rain, and my tail open like a big colorful fan. When I dance in rain, I sing pee-hoo, 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 pee-hoo. My feathers are made up of different colors like violet, indigo, green, brown and blue. I am the most beautiful bird in the world. I am the symbol of joy, beauty and love. I am the king of all the birds.